My dread got caught in a clipper. Ah, shit. Damn. Is it tilted? It's straight? Ooh-wee, bitch. Ooh-wee. I'm gonna cut my shit ball. I'm gonna give myself a pack.
I mean, it takes time. Marcus, you always told me you can't see the greatness in the big picture until it's done. You can be happy with your artwork and it may look like crap, but if you step back and look at it from home once it's done, you'll see the beauty of it. So now I can use my brush because my hair is thinner now, and I want to start laying the hair. This is why I want to train my hair. I haven't had a haircut in a while, so now it's time to train and manipulate my hair. Remember, it'll work better if I was washing my hair, but I mean, I'm going to show you guys. It still works the same because I put that shea butter in it, so my hair still has a little bit of lubrication in it. All right, so now I use my round brush to brush it out. So I'm just still debulking. All right, it still works the same because I put that shea butter in it, so my hair still has a little bit of lubrication in it. All right, so now I use my round brush to brush it out. So I'm just still debulking. All right.
I already did debulking, nigga. Ain't got no more.
Small too cold.
Ain't got shit to debulk.
So now what I want to do is tap it up. The primary line, the very bottom. So very lightly, light strokes. You can do this. As long as you can.
Well, I'm low-key doing this shit though.
Tap it in primary, that first line. The primary line. The very bottom. So very light strokes. You can do this. I tell you, always check your pulse.
Cause my shit is trash. My shit is trash. My shit is
Always check your pulse.
damn. I put my primary line too high. It's just crazy, man. Now I gotta fade with the primary line, yo.
At this time, you can definitely brush quite a bit. But when you go for nice clean up, nice taking up.
Bro, I'm down there about to give myself
So
a ball spot, bro.
I can comb this out. I can go half a bar,
Oh my god.
I'm just
Oh my god.
lightly in the edges. To lay it down,
Whew.
is
You gotta go with it. Go with it. That's so bad. That's so bad. I kind of get the concept. I still gotta hit this side up. I still gotta hit my back up.
So now, I can look the secondary line. Just got higher line. And then you have to. So as you can see, my hair is still sitting right here in the front. I can comb this out. I can go half as far as I was down. I did the two, so I'm taking 1.5 now. I'm just laying it in the edges. To lay it down, what I'm going to use is hot water, rag, and black soap. Black soap, great soap. It's natural. We have like the natural stuff. It's very, you can get it online. The African store has sell it. The benefit of black stuff is to get the skin clean, it'll smooth the hair out, and it'll help you lay down, but it dries you out.
Hey man, say man, look, I'm scared. I'm still scared of this bitch, bro.
Oil something natural, or something natural.
I fuck up my tape line, it's over with. I'm ending the video.
So that way you can put the minerals and nutrients back in your hair.
Fuck up my tape, it's over with. I just want to let y'all know that.
Like to consistently make $1,000 a day
See, bro.
without being glued to your computer screen for hours? If you're already making that kind of money, congratulations. This video is not for you. You can go ahead and click the skip button. Alright.
My dread got caught in a clipper. Ah, shit. Damn. This shit gotta get cut. This shit gotta get cut. This shit gotta get cut, bro. Ooh, goodness gracious. Damn. Damn. See, that's what's so bad about new growth, bruh. All that dread right there. You know what I'm saying? That was so bad about new growth, bruh. I might leave this up to the professionals. I don't know, G. I might just line my shit up in the back. Leave this shit up to the professionals. Leave this shit up to the professionals, nigga. Cuz. I ain't figured out a way to get my back yet. Hey, I ain't figured out a way to get my back yet, y'all. I don't know, man. We gotta leave that bitch plain Jane, my nigga. Alright, so now we moving on to the taper, right?
You can add your right more aesthetically pleasing to the eye. So what I'm gonna do, and the reason why we are gonna get tapered.
Damn, bro, whole dread, bro.
Sometimes when I'm cutting my own hair, I like motivation to keep going to push through. So to see a closer finished product on what I've already done, kind of keeps me going, to be honest with you. So what I do is I want to use the corner of my clipper. You have to trust the clipper.
Alright, but to me, bro, and mind y'all, like, my tape line automatically, like, goes up right here. But, once I get the black stuff, that's going. But, to me, I did a pretty good job, especially on my beard. This being my first time ever, like, cutting my hair, tampering with my hair. This is, like, the first time I ever just laid some clippers on my hair, you know what I'm saying? Tape line, obviously, need a little working on, but this is my first cut ever, and for this shit being like my first time ever, I'm gonna give myself a 10. I did a good job. I even lined up my mustache a little thick, but it's there, you know. I got a bun in my neck, we straight. Alright, so this is acceptable. I can walk out like this, you know what I'm saying, how I was earlier. You know, but I appreciate y'all, you know what I'm saying. Hit that subscribe button, hit that like button for me down below, turn on post notifications if you're new. I'm gonna catch y'all folks later, bro. Peace.